Hey everybody, welcome back. Just went through the car wash. Snowed last night. And today I'm going to be putting on my Westin side steps that I ordered. So we're just going to get a look at it before. I'm heading over to Chris's to do that, so I'm going to head there now. Alright, well here we are at Chris's. And the truck got a little dirtier than I wanted on the way over. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but the roads are dirty. So anyways, I'm gonna get the box with the side steps in them and get started on this. Here's the box. Very exciting. So I just got the ball rolling by putting the brackets together. There's two pieces. So I'm gonna get started on that. Put them all together and then start mounting them up. So I got all the brackets put together, including the one that's holding my paperwork down. And they're held together with the hex nuts that fit in the square hole, so they won't, because this sits against the frame, it won't touch the frame. So I guess the next step is I'm gonna get under. I got some cardboard out and I'm gonna attach the isolators onto the holes. Actually, first I'm gonna wipe everything down that's gonna attach with a rag. So that'll be my next step. Okay, so I'm under the truck. You can see these three studs. I'm gonna quickly wipe them with a rag. I did a little bit, and I'm gonna put the isolators on them. Those come pre-installed on the truck for if you have factory step bars. This is gonna mount to the body, not the frame. So they're not true rock sliders, but they will protect, hopefully, if the truck comes down on a stump or a rock or whatever. So my doors and my rocker panels don't get crushed. So I'll show you this one and this one bracket. All we can see, I'm just gonna wipe it down. Probably not a necessary step. Take the plastic isolator that doesn't fit and force it on. It's stiff, but you gotta force them, but they go on. So if I wasn't videoing, I could do all studs just with these and with one go before I do anything else if I wanted to. There you go, so we got the isolators on. And the bracket. Just goes on like this. Okay, so the hardware is up on both sides, ready to slide on the side steps. Probably need Chris to help me with this one. Okay, so I got the first one unwrapped. It was wrapped really well. You can see just how heavy duty it is. It's heavy. So the idea is, it's upside down, by the way. The idea is it absorbs impact instead of the underside of my door or the rocker panel. This is going to be a two-person mount-up job. So I'm going to get started getting the hardware together and see if I can film this. I'm going to edit out the front part anyways. So we're just going to pick it up together. You're going to support the back end. Yeah. And put some bolts and holes.
Bolts and holes bent.
Alright. Alright, so Chris is here. This is a team lift.
You may know me as somebody on the channel.
Yeah, Chris is my troll. Alright. Chris is a big Dodge guy, but always seems to have 4 trucks.
Well, one. I had one. Recently sold.
Let me get another one in there. Gloves are great in the cold, but terrible for bolts. All right, the driver's side in case we missed the other side. Take. All right.
This one.
Bolts and holes.
Need a second hand to hold that while you do these screws?
No, I think I'm good. Thank you. So they're on. They're not tight. I just gotta place them, tighten them down. We're good to go. Okay, Chris and I got them all mounted up. I'm gonna do a video after I wash it. Probably took me a couple hours, mostly because I didn't want to lie in the snow. So before I wrap this up, I just wanted to show everybody, I weigh about 310 pounds. And if I step on these side bars, it doesn't move. It doesn't move a little bit. They are very solid. So that's the finished product of the install of my Westin Outlaw step bars. They're really well constructed. They're quite heavy. I'm really hoping they offer protection. I know they're not quite rock sliders per se, but from our F150, unless you go custom, I think this is the best you're going to find on the market. And maybe there's a way to one day weld them up to the frame. Thanks for watching. As always, if you haven't subscribed, please do. It really helps. Comments, let me know what you think, and give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it.